Hi my beauties, I hope you're all having a beautiful day. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something I've never actually done before in my 8 years of YouTube. It is a drugstore makeup look. Everything that I'm going to be using on my face is from the drugstore. It is reasonably priced or very inexpensive with great quality, I must add. Also, as some of you may know, in every single one of my videos I'm going to be doing a giveaway just to give back to my beautiful viewers and subscribers. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing what I love every single day, so thank you so much. Stay tuned at the end of this video to see what you can win in this particular video. I'm going to be going ahead and doing my makeup first as well as my hair, so stay tuned. Now the first thing I'm going to be using is this H2O Skin Drink by Pixi. I'm a huge fan of Pixi. The products are absolutely so amazing and very affordable, and what I like most about it is that it comes out as like a gel formula, so you can definitely use it as a primer as well as just something by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and rub this all over my skin. But I'll let you know I'm completely naked under this bathrobe. I'm going to let my hair stay in this towel just so it's as damp as it can be. The next thing I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Up to 24 Hour Foundation. So it looks like this. I'm going to pump a tiny bit the back of my hand, and I'm going to be getting a wet beauty blender. This is by Morphe, and I'm just going to dab it everywhere. You know what I realized? I realized when you just come out of the shower, like your skin looks so good, right? Does that happen to you too? And like it drinks up the foundation to a better extent. Did I feel the pimple here? So for the concealer, I'm going to be using a drugstore product from my beautiful country, Australia. This is called the Face of Australia. It's called the HD Stick Foundation, but I definitely have always used it as a concealer. So I'm just going to go 1 and then 2 and kind of wherever's needed and just leave it there just for a bit, you know what I'm saying, just for a tiny bit. For the eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be using something that literally came out today. It's by NYX. It's called I Love You So Muchy. Yeah, how cute is that? And look how excuse me, look at the packaging and the colors. I mean, are you serious with your life? So I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful cream color just as a base, and these colors are so pigmented all over the lid area. I'm going to be going in with this absolutely beautiful bronze tone right here. It's like this rose gold. Oh Lord, that is pigmented. I'm going to try and stay under the crease and just slightly bring it to the inner corner and then blend. I'm going to get a slightly smaller brush, and I'm going to get this beautiful orange tone, and I'm just going to dab it. I'm going to put that on the... Oh my Lord, are you serious with your life? I'm just going to apply that to the inner corner and slightly bring it to the middle. Just to finish up, I'm going to be using this beautiful gold. I'm going to just blend that a tiny bit more. Look how easy this is. Like, I feel like you can do this with your eyes closed. You know what I'm saying? Maybe not your eyes closed, maybe one eye closed. I'm going to go ahead and blend the concealer just so I can place some eyeshadow at the bottom area of my eyes. I'm going to add a beautiful brown tone to the bottom area just to make it pop a tiny bit more. Adding this beautiful shimmer tone just as a little sparkling finish to them. Oh my gosh. Now before I go ahead and I finish off this makeup look, I'm going to be doing this hair of mine before it gets too dry. But before that, I'm going to be applying my NYX HD Finishing Powder. I'll be using my damp beauty blender and just patting it down just to make sure nothing moves and it is stayed put. I just realized it's very random, but I haven't seen Marcus Butler on YouTube for a good year. I'm just saying, does he still make videos? Now for this particular hairstyle, you definitely want to make sure your hair is damp. Ooh. Now this is what my hair looks like. It is quite damp, actually, a matter of fact. I quickly want to tell you guys my hair routine that I used for this freshly washed look before I get started into the actual hair look. I always say hair is the #1 topic I get asked about on everything, on Instagram, on my YouTube channel, on my website. I want to thoroughly explain what I've always used. Now, as I mentioned, there are products that I absolutely love, and there are products that I try, so I'm a big fan of. But these staple products, I've actually been using this brand since May 2016. I will link the video below. A lot of you guys really like this video. My shampoo and conditioner, when it comes to something that's been in my shower for the past 2 years nearly, if anything over 2 years, is Verve. I actually discovered them online. I've been obsessed with them ever since. They actually just recently started selling their products in Urban Outfitters, and I'm not from here, so when I first came in and I saw it, I was like, oh my god, Verve, like a company that I found online. Well, I didn't find them, but I started using them. They recently came out with a C range, like C, kind of like beachy waves and things like that, is something that kind of enhances your own natural waves instead of being like dead straight. That's not what I'm actually going to be talking about today. So I'm going to be talking about their new product, which is their C texture spray, and it's meant to give you like that beautiful, you just came back from the beach, like natural effortless waves. I also came out with the sea texture cream, so it amplifies and refreshes your waves and things like that. This one you can actually use like a hairspray, so you apply this on dry hair, but because now my hair is actually quite damp, I'm going to go ahead and use the sea salt light texture and wave spray. What you're meant to do with this is spray it on dry to damp hair in sections using your fingertips to kind of make it crunchy effect to give that natural wave effect. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it everywhere. It smells so good. Again, I'm going to kind of, do you guys see that? What the hell, where did these waves come from? What? So I'm going to go ahead and do this in sections. Look at that volume compared to this. That's crazy. This is the perfect look for like simple, just very extremely natural looking waves. And it's going to also enhance your curls and your waves. Now my hair is quite straight, so obviously I'm not going to get that curly, extremely curly look, but at the same time it's going to enhance my waves, which I like. So I'm going to go ahead and use this texture cream. I'm going to apply a tiny bit to my fingertips. I'm going to kindly scrunch this up using this and just flatten out the frizz on the top of my hair. So I threw my hair in a low messy bun just so it can enhance the curls and the waves a tiny bit more. Before I go ahead and move on to the makeup look, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with the Sea Texture Spray. A tiny bit everywhere. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Pencil just to fill in my brows a tiny bit, nothing too crazy. This is like the perfect natural looking brow product to use. Now that your brows are done, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. If you're looking for a mascara, I would definitely recommend this. It's inexpensive, but it gets the job done better than certain other high-end brands, I'm just saying. Now for the bronzer and the blush, I'm going to be using my beautiful friend Chloe's Pixie palette. She did a collaboration with Pixie. I absolutely adore Chloe. She's one of my old YouTube friends here, and she has one of the sweetest hearts. You have your 3 cheek products, and you have your brows, shadows, highlighters, all in one. It's the perfect bridal makeup kit. I'm going to go ahead and start off by using this beautiful tone, just a bit like a contour. Oh, that's so pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful blush tone just to give a bit more color. Oh, I really like this. Do you see how pigmented this is? Like, that's crazy. Now for a highlight, I'm going to be going ahead and using this beautiful color. Now I know these are, I think, shadows, but I'm going to try and see if I can use it as a highlight. Ooh, you literally get everything in one palette. Now initially I did want to use lashes, but I don't know, I feel like I really like how this look is turning out. Before I finish off the look, I'm going to be going ahead and actually using this brand new NYX product, which I haven't even opened yet. They came out today, I believe. This one is called Lip 106. Oh, I love this color. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love the way this has turned out. What do you guys think? Absolutely love it. To finish off the look, I'm going to be going ahead and using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. But yeah, this is my final makeup look. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and undo my hair just to see the final results. And you get a little something like this. I'm going to stand up to show you. Look at those waves. You guys saw I came out with wet hair, wet and straight hair, mind you. And put it up in a knot. And after all these products, look at this. I love it. It's like I put in effort, but I didn't really, you know what I mean? As always, I'm going to be linking everything that I used in this video in the description below. So if there's anything that you need, click the description below. Let me know what you guys think of this hair and makeup look. Now for this particular video giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 2 products. You get 2 in 1 because I did a drugstore makeup look. I thought it was only fitting to give away drugstore really good quality products. We're giving away 2 ultimate eyeshadow palettes from NYX. You guys, these literally launched 5 hours ago. I'm not just saying, I actually got it today. So you have a combination of colors. Each color has a matte tone, a shadow tone, and a very shimmery tone. And this one is a beautiful mauve toned palette. So you're going to get 2 in 1 for this particular giveaway. All you have to do to win these goodies by NYX is please subscribe to my channel. So click the subscribe button and click the notifications button on the side of the subscribe button just so you get notified of any new videos and giveaways coming out. And then thumbs up this video and comment below what your favorite ultimate drugstore product is, and follow me on Instagram at Lilian Tahmasian, and that's it. You go in the draw to win this. Once again, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and comment below your favorite ultimate drugstore product, and follow me on Instagram. As always, I'm going to be announcing the giveaway in 7 days, so stay on the lookout for that. I'm excited to be continuing doing these giveaways every single video of mine. It's going to get bigger and better, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I really hope you beauties really did like this video. I had so much fun creating it. Love you guys so much. Until next time, keep smiling.